Hi guys, Alison from First National Neilson Partners. Just wanting to have a very quick chat about Tarpey. We've got a large rent roll and maintenance can be a crusher of our time management strategies, and it can be a major battle with the volume that we deal with. We've got a maintenance team who specialises in dealing with maintenance issues to support our property managers, and we have tried other maintenance packages before, but nothing has really worked as far as getting our systems streamlined the way we want and need them to be. And then I came across Tarpey. So we've onboarded Tarpey as our alliance partner. Since then, our system and our process flows far more efficiently. Our client service provision has increased. They get automated notifications, so tradies, rental providers, renters, the property managers, everybody's kept up to date as the process moves along, and it keeps everything on track and people communicated with, which stops the extra phone calls, which stops the extra frustrations and angst. So that's been really, really good from our client service perspective as well. Very importantly, it integrates with our property management software and our inspection software. So to have those three components working seamlessly together, they sync together, it's allowed us to provide routine inspection reports at a higher standard for our owners. Maintenance cannot get missed. But on the back of that, there's an automated invoicing system. So our bookkeeper, her workload has reduced because a lot of the invoices are automated. The support we receive from the onboarding training, webinars, videos, help support desk, personal contact. I am thrilled with the level of support that we have received. Nothing is too hard, nothing is too tedious. We are answered swiftly and concisely so that we can get on with our day. And basically, I just need to say it's been a game changer for our department.